In this type of n factorial divided by 2 factorial is equal to 15 into n minus 2 factorial. First of all, we can, by cross multiplication, we are multiply 2 factorial on this right side. So n factorial is equal to 2 factorial and 15 into n minus 2 factorial. Now, according to the n factorial is the product of n positive values, which is we can write n into n minus 1, n minus 2 factorial. Because here the right side is n factorial, we are expanding this term n minus 2 factorial is equal to 2 into 1 into 15 n minus 2 factorial. So n minus 2 factorial is divided on both sides, so this will be cancelled to each other. So here we get n into n minus 1 is equal to, this will be equal to 30. So now we change this result, n square, we open the bracket, n minus 30 is equal to 0. Now we have making the factorization method, we are applying in here. n square minus, we can write 6n plus 5n minus 30 is equal to 0. Now we are taking common factor. In here n is common, we get n into n minus 6 minus plus 5 is common, and n minus 6 is equal to 0. So we can write, we have the mixture of factor here, minus 30 minus 6 plus 5, we get minus 1, and minus 6 multiplied by 5 we get minus 30. Now here taking common one pair, n minus 6 into n plus 5 is equal to 0. Here it means that n minus 6 is equal to 0, or n plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we transfer this to the right side, so n is equal to 6 or n is equal to minus 5. So negative sign, negative values, where negative values of is undefined in case of factorial. So n is equal to 6 is our answer. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more.